Hi you guys, it's me, Crystalline, your proactive conscious aging life coach. How you guys doing today? I am joyful in the Lord and in the power of his might. Welcome back to my channel. It is December 4th, 2022. I cannot believe how fast this year has flown by. So, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get my videos just as soon as I upload them. Well, you guys, this is my first time participating in YouTube's Vlogmas. Okay, and so I don't know if I'm going to be able to record a vlog every day, but I'm going to do as many of them as I can. So this is number one. All right. We just got back from church. We had a really nice time, and I really would have liked to start at the beginning of my day, but I had to get there so early and everything, you know, because I was going to play in the handbell choir and we had to rehearse. So I'm starting now, okay? So what I've done so far is I decided to make a pie, okay? So I have to go back because this is a disclaimer. I had my 14-day no sugar, sugar-free challenge last month. And I said I wasn't going to show you guys any other food making that wasn't exactly good for you. However, I'm going to suspend that right now during this holiday season because I will be lying if I said I wasn't going to eat anything with sugar. I know you feel me on that, right? This is the holiday season. People like to splurge, and then on January 1st, everybody's on a diet. So now that we all on the same track, let me proceed. Let me see. I was in the mood to bake today, and while I was at church, I was thinking I could make another rum cake because the last ones I made for our Thanksgiving, they were yucky, okay? I hadn't made them in a while, and there were some things that I did that just did not taste good, so now I have to redeem myself. But I didn't feel like stopping at the store, and I was out of pecans, so I said, that's okay, I'm just gonna bake what I have at home. So I'm going to show you what I've made so far. And how does it smell to you, Jim?
Yum dillerifish.
Okay, did y'all hear him? Say it again, Jim.
Yum dillerifish.
He made up a word, you guys, a new word. So yeah, so I'll just show you what I'm doing right now. It's nothing exciting, but it's Vlogmas. Amen. Amen. So here is my pie, and this is what I used. I used this Marie Callender's Easy Prep Ready to Bake, okay? I'm not doing any big time baking today, but I don't know if you've ever tasted this cherry pie before, but this is my favorite cherry pie of all time, and I only cook it at this time of year. So right now, I have baked it in the oven for about 45 minutes. And this pie is so easy to make. You don't even have to watch it cook, actually. You can just put it in the oven and you'll smell it after about 40 minutes. I'm just making sure you guys can see it right there. I zoom in a little bit and so you can see it. I like making this pie because it's so easy to do. And so I've baked it. You can see, look at that. It's nice. It's ready to go on to the phase 2. So this is a cherry crunch pie, and it comes with this little packet of crumbly stuff. Okay, and what you have to do is open it up like that, and you place it on top of this. This has about a gazillion calories in each slice. Well, okay, maybe a gazillion calories in the whole pie. And then each slice has, what's a fraction of gazillion, Jim?
One fraction of a gazillion.
Okay, he says 1 fraction of a gazillion. We're not going to be too technical today. So you just spread it on like that. It's awesome. And my secret weapon on every food that I make is what? Cinnamon. Okay, I put cinnamon on everything. Well, cinnamon and lemon pepper. But cinnamon is good because it helps to regulate your blood sugar. And of course, your blood sugar is probably going to be off the chart when eating this. What I suggest is that you drink a lot of water. Okay, and so right here is nutmeg. I put that on it too. And I like to put it especially around this crust. Now, a secret when you're going to make this pie is this has to go back in the oven for about 20 minutes, okay? Because now the crumbling part has to get done. And so how I keep my crust from getting burnt is I put aluminum foil around like this. Because a couple of times when I first made this pie, I put it back in so that the crumble could get done. And, you know, the crust got burnt. So I had to figure out how to do this. And, you know, I'm a genius. In addition to being your baby boomer beauty on a budget. Y'all didn't know that, did you? Genius, too. So I figured out how to do that. And now it's going to go back in the oven for about 20 minutes. When it comes out, it's going to bubble. The crust will not be burnt. And then we'll be able to eat it. Amen. I'm boiling some cinnamon to make a nice scent all over our house. Cinnamon smells like Christmas. So Jim was just eating a snack. What were you eating, Jim?
Chips and salsa and this Hernandez guacamole salsa.
Uh-huh. This is a nice Sunday snack. He just wanted to come and eat and say hi. Say hi, Jim.
Hi, Jim.
So that's my handsome husband. 4-year anniversary coming up this, Thursday? Okay. Awesome. As I mentioned, our anniversary is coming up next week, and Jim has gotten me these flowers. Aren't they pretty? Not really anniversary gift, maybe pre-anniversary. And they're very beautiful, and I really like them a lot. We haven't done that much decorating so far, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of decorating right now on this table. And I did make this. I think it's beautiful. And this is like a pre-Christmas gift or whatever you want to call it that I got for Jim because he likes snowmen. So we have a tradition where we're developing a tradition where every year I get him a different snowman. So we got this lantern. Isn't that cute? It's so pretty. It's like Mr. Wait a minute, it's Snowman and Son right there. So we have that. And this is something very simple. I'm just going to put this right here on the table. This one is going to go back in the middle. And this one, we got to figure out what we're going to do here because, wait till you see what I have here in this box, okay? This is thebomb.com right here. Look at that little baby. Isn't that cute? So I gave this one to Jim last year. It's so pretty. It's got all the little glittery snowflakes on it and everything. Isn't that adorable? So that one is going to go here. Well, I'll figure it out in a minute because we got this much bigger one. Look at this. We got this one here too. And oh, look at this, so cute. It lights up and everything. Okay. Any of you guys fans of snowmen out there? Jim is a huge fan of snowmen. So we got snowmans all over the house. And this is only the beginning. So these guys are going to go here. And we're going to do something like that for now. Okay. How does that look to you with the little snowman? Let me make sure you can see it. Yeah, that's them. And then look at this other little tiny one right here. I don't know what kind of snowman that is. He's standing on a deck of cards or something. We're gonna put that one. It's really a Christmas tree ornament. So we're gonna put that behind for now, you know, until I figure out what we're gonna do with it, okay? So this is what this looks like. And it can just flash on and off. And it's very cute. And so I guess that's the beginning of our Christmas decorations. This is a white cat that I usually have on this coffee table. And this is what I'm doing this afternoon. I'm going to come back and show you what that pie looks like. And this is a little view of our living room. I love plants. I have so many plants over there. And of course, there's my beautiful little digital piano that I got a couple of years ago, and a very comfy papasan chair. And you see that pink flamingo in the background. We had to bring that in because it's now winter instead of summer. And that's just one of our little decorations. We got some Christmas cards. We got some condolence cards for Rapscallion. And hey, you guys, this Sunday, we're about to relax and enjoy ourselves. I'll bring you back the pie as soon as it's ready, okay? This is what the pie looks like. See how it's bubbling like that? That's how you know it's done. So I had to come back and show you guys the final finished product. So you guys, that's my little Vlogmas video for today. Thanks for stopping by and seeing what I was doing for a few minutes. Like I say, this is just my first one, and I'm going to keep coming to you up until probably Christmas Day, maybe Christmas Eve. We'll see. There's a lot going on. I got a concert on the 18th. Let's see, and then we're going to be playing handbells again on the 24th on Christmas Eve. Anniversary is next Thursday, and so lots coming up. And I have to take my own advice about how to not be stressed for the holiday season. You can look back and see my 3 ways not to be stressed for the holiday season in my shorts video category. So let me show you Diamante, my little girl. She's 1 year old. Come on, say hi. Say, oh, she's not cooperating. Anyway, thanks for coming by and seeing the video. Let me know what you guys are doing for the holiday season. I really appreciate all your watching and your comments. And I just appreciate you, my subscribers. God bless you, and I'll see you next time.